Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered in to our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the start of the show, we have this gorgeous 2015 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4. This happens to have the Thunder Road package on it. Under the hood, you're going to find the legendary 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this vehicle is shown in the gorgeous granite crystal metallic color, which pairs beautifully with all of that black matte decaling. This truck has been fully safetied and inspected. It's only had one previous owner and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. Those are a brand new set of tires, and they'll be riding on those gorgeous 20-inch aluminum wheels. Again, the Thunder Road decaling on there, signal light indicators there on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature, window vent visors, and you have a few other accessories on the exterior. Power mirrors, windows, and locks, and your mirrors also power fold-ins. That's a nice convenience feature, beautiful black interior, brushed metal, and chrome accenting. Tons of storage on the door. You get these great all-weather mats. And then you have these beautiful sporty seats. They are fully adjustable and heated in the front. Your steering wheel is leather wrapped and heated as well. Cruise control and shifting options to your right, to your left, Bluetooth and hands-free and dash selection buttons. You have audio mounted controls there behind the steering wheel, allowing you to change the station source and volume, all while keeping your hands safely where they need to be. Fully automatic headlights and a tilt option. 134,856 kilometers on this currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through on the dash there. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. Ignition area, of course, to the right, as well as your dial shifting knob and 4x4 options. Nice clean dash area, double stitching for added detail, RAM detailing up top. That's a great spot for an extra set of sunglasses, AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and SD card options, and then your heated seat and steering wheel. So again, two different settings for both your driver and passenger. There's also a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone, so it's a very user-friendly and a setting screen. That brand new film is still on there, so you can take that off and be just like the day it was when it was first sold. Down below that, you have the manual buttons for climate and media, trailer brake control, tow haul, AC outlet to the right, 12-volt outlet in the middle, 2 cup holders. All of your media ports are tucked away in this top shallow space. And then down below, you have tons of additional space. That little rubber mat just needs to be put back into place. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in excellent condition. Glove compartment down below. Again, great all-weather mats. There's additional space above the glove compartment, illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, and your rear sliding window. As we head into the back, the door opens super wide on the crew cab. You have tons of space. Again, side steps helping you in. Your storage behind the seats, 12-volt outlet in the middle. There is 3 seats back here. It is a 60-40 split. The bottoms of the seats lift up easily to reveal storage underneath. And you have this platform that comes out and secure, so you can get a nice flat traveling surface. That's a great option if you do have pets. Great all-weather runner, keeping everything in good condition, and then storage beneath the feet. You do have a tonneau cover on here. The back bed is lined for added durability. You do have the tie-down hooks in the 4 corners as well. And then to close the tailgate, you just have to lift up this portion, then you'll get a nice close on that. Again, rear sliding window and trailer hitch receiver on here as well. So overall, as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. Again, if you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.